Hi, my name's Bree from My Abiding Home, and today I'm super excited to share with you how to make cold brew coffee right at home. I've asked my husband to help me with this video as he's the coffee guru in our home, so follow along and take some notes. Begin by measuring out the filtered water. Use a 1:11 ratio, 1 gram of coffee beans for every 11 grams of water. Next, weigh out your coffee beans using the 1:11 ratio as stated before. Make sure you set your grinder to coarse. And give it a good stir. After about 48 hours, line a Chemex with a Chemex filter and strain the cold brew through, waiting until the cold brew fully strains through the filter before adding more. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I make one new video every week on discipleship, wholesome foods, family life, and natural living.